Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Today we are discussing about the necessity of the constitution for our country. Introduction. The constitution is a backbone of a country's government. It establishes the fundamental principles and values that guide the nations. A constitution ensures the stability, order and protection of the citizens' rights. The six fundamental principles of the constitution. The separations of an power establish the three separate branches that share the government power: legislative, executive, and judicial. Check and balances ensures that none of the three branches can be too powerful, and each branch has the way to limit the power of the other two. And the example, the president can veto any act of the Congress, but the Congress can override the veto with an 2/3 of an vote. The rule of an law. The Constitution establishes the rule of an law, ensuring the fairness, justice. It sets the frame of a legal system and prevents arbitrary excess of the power. The rule of an law promotes the trust, confidence in the government. Segregations of an power. The Constitution divides the power among its three branches. The separations prevents the concentrations of an power in a single entities. It ensures a system of checks and balance to prevent abuse of authority. What is the separations are power? The separations of power divides the power of a government into three branches: executive, legislative, and judicial. The protections of a right. The Constitution guarantees the fundamental rights and freedom for a citizen. It safeguards individual liberties such as freedom of speech, religions, and protections that rights ensures the equality and prevents discriminations. The fundamental rights are the basic human rights of all the citizens. It embraces in the part 3 of the Constitution, and we also having a fundamental rights of India. Limiting power, government power. The Constitution limits the power and authority of the government. It prevents a tyranny and the authorizations rule. The limiting a government power ensures the accountability and prevents the abuse of the power. The absolute power of corrupts absolutely. Each except of the government controls of the life, each one of the less except you control your own life. Stability and continuity. A constitution provides an stability and a continuity in a governance. It outlines the procedure of associations and transitions of a power. The stability promotes economic growth, investment, and development. The provides a stability and continuity in the midst of an workplace economic jobs. Resolving conflicts. The Constitution provides a framework for resolving conflicts and disputes. It establishes the mechanism for peaceful resolutions such as courts and arbitrations. Resolving conflicts through a constitutional means prevents violence and instability. See, here is a resolving conflict picture. What do I want to achieve? From that, why do I want to do this? How can I am going to do this? The resolving conflicts means how we are trying to resolve this. Defining the national identity. The Constitution defines the national identity and values of a country. It reflects the history, cultural aspirations of the nations. The national identity fosters unity and a sense of the belonging among the citizens. National identity. And a constitution that binds the people together through a common political aspirations. A sense of belonging to a nation, often but not always derived from an ethnic identity, can create a nationalism, a pride on its one people that is separations to have an own political sovereignty. International recognizations. A constitution enhances a country's standing in an international community. It demonstrates the commitment to democratic principles and the rules of law. The international recognition provides diplomacy, trade, and cooperation. What are the principles of the rule of law? The protections of human and fundamental rights, the principle of legality, the principle of the proportionality, and all the actions only if in a public interest, all in a good faith and conformity with an international law, except European conventions on human rights. for a police only. The principle to focus on a perpetrator in the first places. Conclusions. The necessity of a constitution for a country cannot be overstated. It ensures the stability, protections of rights, and limits on a government power. A constitution is a foundation for the prosperous, just society. Unique ideas.